Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to 360DigiTMG channel. Hope you have all the plans ready for bidding goodbye to 2023. We have one more last day tomorrow, and then new year would come in. Hopefully, new energy, new opportunities are being brought in 2023. Let us talk about why we are connecting here today. First of all, I would like to congratulate and really appreciate for all the um, efforts that you people are putting in to ensure that the world of data science that you are trying to get into, the world of data analytics that you're trying to get into, is becoming better and better. Every small contribution is important, and you people are in this particular session. That means you are basically trying to build your career in the space of data analytics or data science, or for the matter, data related career opportunities. And today we are living in the world of internet, and everywhere we will see data. So data is going to stick around, and we will have to try and leverage on the data. So from that note, I would like to congratulate once again for all the people who are choosing the career path of data analytics or data science. My name is Sharat, and this is my LinkedIn profile, friends. I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics. I work closely with 360DigiTMG. And today, in collaboration with Innodatatics, the free internship program that we are launching will be explained here. The majority of the newbies, majority of you people are trying to find jobs. But there is a problem. You may not be picked up, your profile may not get picked up, or you may not be able to clear the interview because there are a lot of questions that you probably may feel are new to you. You are basically going through the stuff, you are just started to get into the data world, and a lot of things that you're trying to learn would be theoretical in nature, right? A lot of things. But are you also trying to upskill yourself from the practical perspective? Until you are going to implement. Now, when I say implement, it's not the hands-on I'm talking about, it's the hands-on in the real world scenario, the practical world scenario. So we are trying to bring in this internship program for you people to help you gain that required knowledge, which is very, very essential for you to understand how the practicality of this entire machine learning implementations will be. This internship program that we are talking about is a free internship program, and it comes by, right, a 30 days duration. The 30 days duration, right, is a well-crafted program, right? And based on a lot of research and a lot of experience, we designed the program into two phases. The first one will be learning phase, and a lot of things will be required for you to understand. So obviously, learning phase will be 20 days. And in these 20 days, you will be given material for going through the concepts. So there are a lot of concepts that you'll have to learn. So here we will be talking about videos that will be published in the 6 a.m. morning, afternoon 12 p.m., and 6 p.m. in the night. So you will be given 1 hour video, 2 hours videos on Python, on machine learning, on SQL programming, right? So there are different things that will come into picture that are required for you to implement machine learning models. So all those concepts you'll have to go through, and you would have to showcase your learning. So we will also conduct an exam. Now, this exam is not an MCQ based exam, friends. This is a short answer type or long answer type question. So these questions will be posted on 360DigiTMG LinkedIn page. That's the platform where we all can communicate. So that is the page which you will have to visit. And there you would be given the questions. You will have to write the answers in the comments section. Now you may probably ask, hey, why not MCQs? Why you will have to give us these short answer type questions? The idea basically here is to ensure that your profile is also built over a period of time. LinkedIn being the primary source for the employers to source the profiles. Employers would come and look into your LinkedIn account as well. Now, if you're not active and if you're not contributing in the area where you're trying to showcase your skills, then employers would not get confidence. So to ensure that your profile is also active and you're working on your profile over LinkedIn, this strategy is implemented. Now you'll have to answer the question in comments section as elaborate, as detailed as possible. Right? So this is going to help and win the confidence from the employer perspective as well. When they come and see your profile, you'll be able to showcase that, hey, this is the where, right? This is some area where I have contributed. So something to start with. Now, once this training phase is completed, once you have gone through all the videos, once you are writing your answers, then comes the project phase. 10 days duration will be given for you to implement. You'll have to wholeheartedly dedicate the entire 10 days and implement your learning skills that you have gone through. Now, in order to ensure that there is a proper flow, right? There is a proper process that you implement and you know how to effectively develop a machine learning models. We will include a data science expert, data scientist, industry expert. Under the guidance of this industry expert, you would be proceeding with developing your project work. To ensure that everybody is at the same speed, we will have a daily meeting, Monday to Friday. All right. And in this daily meeting, we will be connecting only for 15 minutes, but you will be talking about only two things, not unnecessary discussions. There will be very straightforward points that you'll have to discuss, what you have done and what you're going to do. And did you face any problem? If yes, what was that problem? And that's all. These are the things that you'll be discussing. All right. And what exactly is the project and what are the technicalities of this? We will be discussing once you come to the project phase. Now, once you are completing the project, you would be given the certificate, okay, end-to-end certificate, which basically allows you to showcase your skills in your LinkedIn as well. Okay, this is absolutely free. The certificate that you're going to get for your work is absolutely free. You don't have to give any penny to anyone. The entire program is a CSR initiative and it is completely free. All right, next. Your program is going to start tomorrow. All right, your program will start tomorrow. That means tomorrow morning, your first video will be given. All right. So registration, how do I register for this program? That's the immediate question that you will be getting. There will be a link in the chat messages. You can go through the link. It will take you to a WhatsApp community. join into that WhatsApp community, right? Go into that WhatsApp community, and there you will be getting all the details. You will be given a link for registration. All right, and that's how you register basically. Joining the Google community, WhatsApp community, and then fill up a form. That's all. Entire communication will happen through that WhatsApp community only. So I request you all to click on the link and join the WhatsApp community. Now, I also want you to motivate. Okay, try to push yourself, motivate yourself. And these are the kind of projects that our team does, friends. The project that you are going to work would be on similar lines. Of course, you'll not be able to extend an end-to-end experience here. But yeah, these are the kind of projects our team does. What you can see here is what you're seeing here basically is a video capturing the steel rods images, right? I mean, it's a video. So in a construction site, there will be a lot of these steel rods being used for construction, right? But keeping a track of all this is something that you'll have to be very careful with. Right? It's a manual effort that we'll have to put in. But once people are coming involved, then there would be a human error that might come in, right? And it is a laborious job. You cannot keep counting every day. So this is the solution which basically allows us to quickly get the count of the steel rods along with the width. Okay. This is another project where we identify the damages for the pallets, wooden pallets, wooden containers. These are used for packing the goods in manufacturing sectors. Right? When you want to move the finished material into different warehouses and all that, then you need these wooden pallets. So we are talking about damage verification, damage identification on this wooden pallets using, again, image processing. This is another very interesting project that our team has accomplished. The poultry basically has the chicks that are being breeded, and they are classified into 4 different stages. So our application will track each and every chick, monitors their growth, monitors their health, right? So it captures the body temperature of like this, right? Using infrared images, it captures the body temperatures of the chicks as well. So it is an automated way to monitor the health of the birds, right? So these are the kind of projects that our team does. Our team, right? When I say our team, it is about all our alumni, our students. Let me go to the success story. You can download a PDF here. Our students are working in big reputed MNCs, not just in India, but abroad as well. Big 4, right? The top 4 companies, the big 4, we call it. And the regular, right? I mean, the big MNCs that we talk about as well, including startups to big companies. Our right staff, our strength is lying there. So you can see some of the profiles here: HCL, Capgemini. Then you have Cognizant. Then I can also talk about InnoMinds, TCS, Deloitte, Onward, right? Incure. Then we have PwC, Novartis, Accenture. So these are all different companies that you can see where our staff is actually working now. I mean, our students working. So this is the strength, friends. Why? Because they are having the exposure to these kind of projects. Now, if you want to learn more about their journey, then you can click on 360DigiTMG YouTube channel that basically you're connected now. If you scroll down, there will be success stories here. You can go through the success stories. They will explain about their experiences. People are working in Al Shaya Group, Dubai. We have UH Hospital Group, Ernest and Young, right? Emirates, Dubai. So we have people working in different countries, as I said. So if you go through these videos, you'll understand how did they prepare? What all things did they do? How did they end up getting into this dream job of theirs? Right? So all these along with a lot of other interesting stuff that is required for you to upskill yourself. Right? Generative AI, you can see here. R programming, auto EDA techniques with Python. We have advanced analytics, ML ops, using Power BI, using Excel. So a lot of interesting stuff is available here. Please subscribe and you should be able to take the advantage of all these readily available content. Not just this, but on our website, you'll also see this learning resources page. This learning resources page is very, very, very important. And I should say bookmark it because there are a lot of these features that you might want to utilize. It also contains a digital book. Okay, it's a very nice, interesting digital book. It's a workbook. I'll mute the line. The interesting stuff that I wanted to show is everything that you see is image based. Some of the image, right? Some of the other images trying to represent the information that is there on the particular chart. Okay, so go through this. It's a very, very small book, but it contains all the concepts that are required for you to kickstart your journey in data science. Likewise, we have interview questions. We have mind map. This is very interesting. Again, mind map. You can see the drop down. There are a lot of mind maps. I'm clicking on the first one. And this is the mind map that you'll get. You'll be able to expand this, right? Learn about all the different algorithms that are there. Where does it get classified, etc. Yep. So this is basically your learning resources mind map. We also have resume mapper, friends. This is very, very important for you people and very useful tool. What you do is you basically try and upload your resume. I'm just doing it with a sample resume. I'll just upload some random sample resume. And then I'll also do some random job description as well. Now, what it does is when I click on compare now, what it does is it looks into all the features or skill sets that the candidate contain or has with respect to the job description. In the job description, there will be a lot of skills that are required, right? Especially in support based or when we are trying to give the resume to the employers, we want to ensure that the mapping of their requirements and our skills is always done. This resume mapper does exactly that job, and it also highlights what are those skill sets that you are not possessing. Of course, it's a lot refinement has to be done, but this is to start with, right? And also you will get interview questions here. Okay. Some of the interview questions would basically allow you to enhance your skills on these missing skill sets. So on and so forth, friends. You have animated learnings, then you have ML architect page, the quiz, 360DigiTMG quiz is also there, data tech profile, and you might want to ensure that all these learning resources are utilized. So that's all, friends. This is all I have. If you want to go to LinkedIn page, please click on LinkedIn as well. And this is the page that you would have for your exam also. Go to this LinkedIn page. All right. And you basically see all the posts that are happening. Okay. Not just this, friends. Our students do a lot of research, right? And their research work would also be published like this. This is from International Journal of Innovative Science and Research Technology. And here, one of our team members' name is given. Similar certificates are issued to all the people who have contributed into this research project. All right. So there is a lot of scope. Ensure that you utilize the program well and showcase your skills. And ensure that the gap that you have between academia and industry is reduced. That's all I have, friends. If you have any questions, please post. I have explained how to register. Just join the WhatsApp community, and that's all. That's all you have to do. All the information will be available in that WhatsApp community. With that, I'll sign off, friends. I'll not take much of your time. Enjoy the rest of the evening and wish a very, very and successful new year to you all. Good luck, friends, and